Becoming a full-time day trader is a dream for many, and having walked this path myself, I know exactly what it takes. After 7 years of day trading, 5 of which have been full-time, I've learned a lot about what works and what doesn't. I'm often asked how someone can start trading full-time, so I decided to share the 6 steps I would take if I had to start all over again. The first step is education. Before you can make any serious moves in the market, you need to get familiar with the trading platforms, the jargon, and the different types of analysis, both technical and fundamental. There are countless resources out there, from free online content to paid mentorships. I can't stress enough how important it is to find a mentor who's transparent and has proven results. I've made plenty of mistakes over the years, and learning from someone else's experience can save you a lot of time and money. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Next, you need to figure out what type of trader you are. Are you a scalper who thrives on quick trades, or do you prefer the slower pace of swing trading? For me, I found a balance between scalping and day trading. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits your lifestyle and personality. Once you know your trading style, build a routine around it. For example, I trade during the London and New York session, starting with pre-market analysis in the morning, followed by active trading until the afternoon, and then I finish the day with post-market analysis in the evening. Becoming consistently profitable is the next big hurdle. You need to see consistent returns month after month before you consider going full-time. When I started, I focused on a small live account and tracked my progress. It's crucial to avoid the trap that 90% of traders fall into, losing most of their capital within 90 days. If you can stay profitable over several quarters, you're on the right track. Scaling up with funded accounts is a game changer. Funded accounts provide extra capital, allowing you to aim for a 5 to 10% monthly return without risking all of your own money. I gradually increased my funded accounts and used them to grow my live trading account. This approach helped me manage risk while still reaching for significant returns. But here's something I learned the hard way. Trading shouldn't be your only source of income. Relying solely on trading profits can create unnecessary pressure, leading to emotional decisions and costly mistakes. That's why I've built multiple income streams. Whether it's dropshipping, SMMA, or another side hustle, diversifying your income allows you to trade with a clear mind and realistic expectations. If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. These steps have been my guide through the ups and downs of full-time trading. If you're serious about making this transition, take the time to build a solid foundation. And if you want to learn more from me directly, feel free to join my free Telegram channel or check out the War Room, where I trade live with others and share insights. Trading full-time is achievable, but it requires dedication, strategy, and a willingness to keep learning.